Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to export Jira board to Excel. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Jira account. Once logged in, navigate to your Jira homepage. From this page, you're going to select the specific project you wish to export to Excel. Once you've identified and clicked on your desired project, you'll be directed to that project's dashboard. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see 3 vertical dots. Clicking here gives you access to various project actions and features. With the menu now open, look for the option labeled Export. Here's where you can choose how you want to export your data. For our purposes today, we'll opt to export as CSV. This format is particularly user-friendly because it seamlessly integrates with Excel, allowing for easy manipulation and analysis of your data. When you select Export as CSV, Jira will begin the process of generating your export file. Depending on the size of the project and the amount of data, this might take a moment or two. Once the download is ready, open the downloaded CSV file using Excel or your preferred spreadsheet software. You should see your project data neatly organized into rows and columns. This format is ideal for making calculations, creating charts, or simply providing a clear view of your project insights. Remember, if the data seems a bit overwhelming at first glance, don't worry. With a bit of sorting and filtering, you can quickly tailor this information to suit your specific needs. And that's it. So that is how you can export Jira board to Excel. So that's all for this video. Thanks.